Hi, everybody. I am Erin Troy, and I live in Drexel Hill, right outside of Philadelphia. I've probably been here for like 10 years, something along those lines. Before then, I was in California, but before then, I was just in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. So I actually really haven't ever gone far. Um, I am a mother of three beautiful children, John 14, Jack 11, Beverly 5. I'm also a fitness instructor. I teach yoga and cycling and bar and anything else they really need on that stay-at-home mom that they can call in a panic. Speaking of panic, I am panicked. So that warning came a little bit late for me. As soon as I saw Excel, my eyes popped out of my head and I panicked. Slight state of panic, um, but I'm sure everything will be fine. As for research, I would say I'm a Google girl. Um, Ever since my son Jack was diagnosed with autism around 18 months, I immediately took to Google and I formed a love-hate relationship with it because, some things you like when you research and some things you don't, that you find out. And I do also adhere to the just because it's on the internet doesn't mean it's true. So that takes a little extra research to prove some of the things that you find on Google. Um, Excel, I don't think I've ever worked with Excel. I think I did when I was in college, like 17 years ago, and I took a computer course and had to work with Excel. I'm sure it would make my life easier in certain departments running a household, but it's just one of those fears that I'll get used to it. I'm sure it'll be just fine. Um, Along with those lines, I'm not exactly 100% computer savvy, but I will say after these past two classes, my confidence is improving. So for those of you that have to work with me in a group, I apologize in advance. I am learning. Just be patient with me, and eventually I will get it. Those of you who worked with me in the past, I appreciate your patience. Um, let's see, what would make research fun? Research is fun for me when I am passionate about the topic. If it's something that applies to my life, it's something that trips my interest radar, I immediately take to Google, of course, first and foremost, and learn about as much as I possibly can. So I can say that I like researching, when it applies to life and my interest. What am I excited about? All of it. I'm excited about all of it. I've been waiting to complete this section of my education to lead me down the path to my fulfilling career for about 15 years. So I'm really excited about all of it. I have enjoyed the first two classes immensely. So even though certain things about this class do stir a little feeling of panic, I'm sure it's going to be wonderful. I was panicked probably in the beginning of the first two as well, but I'm sure this is going to be a wonderful experience. I'm going to just go into it with an open heart and an open mind and take a deep breath, and it will all be okay. So, anyway, I look forward to working with you guys, and yeah, talk to you soon.